Relocation. Okay, relocations means that sometime you are like your space is like little with you, or you want some like new space for you. So programmers write code assuming that program begins at a constant address where OS can be assumed to be a fixed size. So what they do with the program, they say that OS is, for example, like a fixed size. Okay, while the programs can be like at a constant address, begin a constant address, and they can move the different locations over there. So relocation means adding a constant location factor to each address of the program. As if the program was written at address 0, the addition reflects actual address at the memory over there. So usually in programming, in computer RAM, all the addresses start from 0 basically, right? From 0, then 1, then 2. So it is like array. Array means like in programming language, in Python, you might have seen that usually the addresses start from 0, not from 1. Just for this is like a nomenclature over there. So if the program was written at address 0, so you have to make a fixed location program for the address 0. The addition reflects actual address at a the additional actual address at a memory over there. These techniques can use fancy register working as a hardware relocation device over there. So for the operating system, they fix it, and but for the programs, they are like with a constant address but in a different location.